to discuss with me. Otherwise, I am going to start with the revision of chapter 1 and chapter 2 only.
No doubt.
Okay, again, we will go with the same way. I will ask one by one to the students to solve the questions, although rest of the students will also solve. Sometimes the question will be open. So today's question number 1 is the number of solutions of 3 raised to power x plus y equal to 243 and 243 raised to power x minus y is equal to 3 is 0, 1, 2, indefinite. So the first option will go to Harmilan and Aditya. Harmilan and Aditya. Harmilan, are you getting? If the student is not getting, I will remove that student. That means he or she is not in the class. Okay. And Aditya, you are also getting?
Yes, sir.
Great.
So 1 minute, I'm trying the question.
Chali, fatafat. Rest of the students also solve. I will give 1 minute for a one question because probably 20 questions I have to discuss. Haji. Anybody else? See, 3 raised to power x plus y equal to 243. What it means, 3 raised to power x is to 3 raised to power y is equal to 243. Now, in the second equation, the value of 243 I'm going to substitute because 243 raised to power x minus y is equal to 3. What it means, 3 raised to power x is to 3 raised to power y is to x minus y equal to 3. 3 raised to power x plus y is to x minus y equal to 3. So 3 raised to power x square minus y square is equal to 3 raised to power 1, which implies x square minus y square is equal to 1. Now, from here, 3 raised to power x plus y is equal to 3 raised to power 5. So which implies x plus y equal to 5. Let it be equation number 1 and let it be equation number 2. See, x square minus y square is equal to 1. What it means? X plus y is to x minus y is equal to 1. What is the value of x plus y? This is 5. 5 is to x minus y is equal to 1, which implies x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. Let it be 3. Now you can solve equation number 1 and equation number 3 to get the value of x and y. Fine. So when you will add, this is 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 5. 2x is equal to 5 is the LCM, 25 plus 1. 2x is equal to 26 over 5. So x is equal to 13 over 5. And put the value to get the value of y. Y is equal to 5 minus x, which is 5 minus 13. 13 over 5, that is 25 minus 13, which is 12 over 5. This is y. So that means x is equal to 13 over 5 and y is equal to 12 over 5. It has two solutions. Any doubt to any student in this? But this is very sad that you have not solved it.
So won't x comma y collectively be one solution?
How it is possible? How the roots will repeat? You can verify from b square minus 4ac if it is equal to 0 by converting it into quadratic.
Okay, sir.
नोट करिए फटाफट. See, one more thing you can also say, because see, x is this, y is this, so that means ki, it has a unique solution. तो एक ही solution हमारे पास एक x की वैल्यू आ गई, एक y की वैल्यू आ गई. आप इसको यहाँ से भी जज कर सकते हैं. ये आपको दिए रखा है x minus y is my 1 by 5. So here a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2, so that means it has a unique solution. Now, very important question for case study I am going to discuss with you. Let me explain the question first. Can I clear it?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you can.
Yes.
चलिए. क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, okay, there's a case study. He's saying he has given a figure of a curve. This is called a parabola. Here, some students where I have put two lines. These are the students which are standing on the parabola, and they are playing in a water pool. There's a girl who is standing at a height of, suppose this is a girl, this is denoted by G, it is standing at a height of 48 feet from the ground. This is the ground. Well, this is the water level. So she is standing at a height of 48 feet above the water level. She has to take a dive in the pool. So her height above the water level at any time t second. So ध्यान देना, height above water level at t seconds is given by this equation. ht is equal to minus 16t square plus 8t plus k. This is the height given by. Clear? At any time t, the height of the girl is given by this equation. Now, question number 1. What is the value of k? इस k की वैल्यू मेरे को ढूंढनी है. अब देखिए, in the beginning the height of the girl is 48. So what I will say, when
0
time is equal to 0, height of the girl is 48 feet. Okay, because in the beginning when you saw the girl, she is at a height of 48. At that time the time was 0. So ht, it gives the height of the girl. So can I write it here 48 and the time is 0, so 68 ka 0 ka square plus 8 is to 0 plus k. So 48 is equal to k. So this is the answer of my first question. So the value of k is 48. My second question is, at what time girl touches the pool?
So when height is 0.
So he's saying when height is 0, the girl will touches the pool. So the girl will touches the pool, but it implies that height from the ground must be 0. Height from the ground must be 0. So what it means? ht must be 0. So minus 16 t square plus 8t plus k must be is equal to 0. So now we have already calculated the value of k. So I'm going to substitute the value of k because I want to get the time. So take 8 outside to make it simpler. This is minus 2t square plus t plus 6 equal to 0, which implies minus 2t square plus t plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 2t square plus 4 is to 3 कर देते हैं जी, 4t minus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. हाँ जी, minus 2 t outside. So this is t minus 2.
Sir, the value of h we have to take as a assuming the number.
Which x? X तो कहीं है ही नहीं यहाँ.
So you have taken that t. So for the value of t, you have taken t is equal to 0.
Beta, he
So
is
we have
saying
to assume
this girl is at this place. He is saying when this girl will touches the ground. अब देखिए ये पॉइंट है, when the girl will touch the water. जब ये लड़की यहां से चल के ये नीचे आ जाएगी तो हाइट फ्रॉम ग्राउंड कितनी होगी फिर?
0.
हाइट फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड कितनी होगी? ग्राउंड कहाँ है? ये वाटर लेवल इज अ ग्राउंड। तो यहां से जब ये लड़की यहां थी तो वाटर लेवल से उसकी हाइट कितनी थी? 48. In the second question, he is saying this girl has touched the ground. When this girl has touched the ground, that means the height of that girl from the ground will be 0.
Yes, sir.
आप अपनी छत पे खड़े हो, मैंने आपको बोला कि छत से नीचे आ जाओ, तो जब आप छत से नीचे आ गए, ग्राउंड पे आ गए, तो आपकी हाइट ग्राउंड से कितनी हुई?
So 0.
तो फिर ठीक है, तो दिस इज t minus 2 minus 2t minus 3 equal to 0. So what it means, either t is equal to 2 or t is equal to minus 3 by 2. तो ये नेगेटिव तो मैं इसको छोड़ रहा हूं जी, तो विच इंप्लाइज t is equal to 2 seconds. So which implies after 2 seconds the girl will touches the ground. Next is, ये नोट करिए, then I will move to the next one. Can I go to the next one? If you people have noted.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Noted.
sir.
Vatsal is saying I cannot hear you. Only Vatsal has a problem of hearing. Rest of the people, 20 people can hear me.
Yes, sir. Written.
वत्सल प्लीज अपना अपना चेकअप कराइए बेटा जी, ये जो अपना माइक मुइक है जो आपके पास है, either there is some problem in your bandwidth or some other problem is there, because rest of the 19 people are hearing me. So can I go to the third part?
Yes, sir.
Great. Anybody who is still noting?
No, sir.
Sure. Now he is saying, Rita's height. There is another girl. Let this girl be here. This is Rita. R से मैं denote कर रहा हूँ. Rita's height above the water level is given by another polynomial pt. Now see, this is a polynomial which gives the height of the Rita above the ground with zeros -1 and 2. Okay, zeros of the polynomial -1 and 2. I have to write the value of pt. Okay, if the zeros are -1 and 2, what should be the equation? K is to x minus of -1 and x minus of 2. These are the two zeros, because if I'll say that there are a and b are the two zeros, so my equation will be x minus a and x minus b. So when I will multiply, I will get the quadratic equation. So he's saying pt, this is equal to k is to x plus 1 is to x minus 2, which is k is to x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, which equal to k x square minus x minus 2.
So can we also do it this way, that first we'll find the sum and then the product and then substitute it in the general equation of a polynomial?
देख लो करके अगर आंसर ठीक आता है तो. So this is my the standard equation. अब देखिए, I have two comparison. First of Gita and then it is of Rita. Okay. So in the first case, when time is 0, what is my height? Height is 48 feet. So when time is 0, height is 48. This is my first comparison. So this is P0 is equal to K is 2. So when t is 0, then it will be t, then it will be 0 minus 0, then minus 2. So that means height is 48 is equal to minus 2k. So the value of k, this is equal to minus 24. So put the value of k in number 1. So my pt is equal to minus 24 is to x square minus x minus 2. So you can multiply minus 2x square plus 24x plus 48. This is the standard equation of Rita. Is the equation for Rita. Now it is 1, 2, 3, fourth question. अब इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन एक और है, इसी के साथ का रिलेटेड. He's saying a polynomial qt. There is another polynomial qt with sum of zeros. अब जरा ध्यान देना, इसमें क्या दे रखा है? Sum of zero. उसमें सिर्फ जीरो दे रखी थी, इसमें sum of zero दे रखा है 1 और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरो दे रखा है 6 minus 6. Is molding Anu's height in feet. So qt will give me the equation of Anu's height. I have to find out this equation. So it can be k is to t square minus sum of zeros is to t plus product of zeros. So which is k t square. Sum of zeros he has given 1. So 1 is to t. Product of zeros he has given minus 6. Large. Q. Again, we will take the help of the first equation. When the time is 0, the height is 48. I will take the help of this. When time is 0, height is 48. So this is 48 is equal to k is to 0 minus 0 minus 6, which implies minus 6k is equal to 48. K is equal to minus 8. So substitute the value in number 1. So which implies Qt is equal to K is minus 8 is to T square minus T minus 6, which implies minus 8T square plus 8T plus 48, because yes, so बिल्कुल ठीक है. So C option is the correct of as per the sample paper. This is the standard equation to find out the height of the unknown. In the next question, he's saying the zeros of the polynomial, this is the polynomial given, RT. He's saying the zeros of this polynomial are negative of the other. That means let 1 0 be a, therefore second 0 must be minus a, because both the zeros are negative. So you have to find out the value of k. I want to find out k. If two zeros are negative, that means what should be sum of zeros? Minus b upon a. So a minus this is equal to, the value of b here is k minus 3. Negative outside over. The value of a is minus 12. So this is equal to 0. Minus goes with this. K minus 3 over 12. All cross multiply 12 multiplied by this is 0. This is k minus 3, which implies k is equal to 3. So this is an idea how the question will come in the paper for. You have to solve that. I hope you people have noted. Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Anybody still noting?
No, sir.
अभी देखिए, question is the pair of linear equation y is equal to 0 and y is equal to -5 has how many solutions? अब जरा ध्यान देना, this y is equal to 0 को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? ax plus y equal to 0. My second equation is y is equal to -5. Can I write ax plus y equal to -5? So when I will write the comparison, the coefficient of x here is a, the coefficient of x here is a, the coefficient of y is 1, the coefficient of y is 1, the constant is 0, and here is the constant -5. So a goes with this, a cancel. So 1 over 1 equal to 1 over 1 is not equal to 0 over -5. तो ये कौन सी condition हुई?
Parallel lines, no
A
solution.
bar over A2 is equal to B1 over B2 is
B1
not
B
equal to
not equal
C1
to
over 2 C1.
C1
So which
C2.
implies lines are parallel, which implies they don't have any solution. So what you have to do, if the question comes like this, if he has not written the equations in a standard form, you have to write first it in the standard form like this. Then you have to compare the results. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question. The decimal representation of will be. अभी आप बताइए ये कौन सी डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है? 2 and 5s are in denominator. What kind of decimal representation it is? Deepika. No response. Janvi Sahdev. Very bad, both of you. Mohit. Mohit. Pratham. Pratham, what should be the answer?
So may I tell?
No, stop it. Hold it. Harshdeep Kaur. This is terminating. Why it is terminating? Because the denominator is expressed in the power of 2 and 5.
5.
See, I will give you an assessment of 3 marks because as per the CBSE norms, I have to see the alternate mode of assessments also. So this is the alternate mode of assessment. If the student is not responding, like Janvi Behel and Hitika, they have not responded in spite of telling me again and again. So that means their marks will be deducted. Come to the next question. The LCM of and इसका मेरे को LCM निकालना है quickly. Who will tell me? Let me take the name. Harshita will tell me. Are you there, Harshita? Number 1. Harshita, are you there? She is not there. Mayank, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mayank, what is the answer? So Harshita, I have marked 0.
Sir, 6 power and 6/5.
Sir, 216 is the answer.
Let this be P. 2 raised to power 3 is to 2 raised to power 2. Let this be Q. The maximum time 2 repeats is 3 times.
Sir, it can be, so it will be the, sir, 8.
Maximum time 3 repeats, it is 3 times. So 8 is to 27. This is the answer. 2 raised to power 3 is to 3 raised to power 3. 260. Fine. So tomorrow again we'll revise this and then there will be a mock test. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.